How to enable magnification on your Android device. So if you want to magnify whatever you're watching on your device and you're confused, this video is for you. First of all, swipe down on your home screen and click on the settings icon on the top right hand side. Scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Go ahead and tap on the accessibility settings, then tap on vision enhancements. Once you go to vision enhancements, scroll all the way down until you find the size and zoom settings. Under that is magnification. So go ahead and tap on magnification over here. As soon as you do this, you can see the magnification shortcut. Just go ahead and enable it and tap on it once. So as you can see, the accessibility gesture has been enabled. Now if you want to enable the magnification, just go ahead and do this gesture on your device, and now you can just go ahead and pinch in, and as you can see, the magnification has been done. You can tap on the options as well, and you can just use your phone. Now if you want to disable it once again, just go ahead and do the gesture once again, and then it will be turned off. So guys, this is how easy it is to use the magnification gesture on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.